Welcome to San Academy Pallikarnai Class 7 Mathematics Chapter 17 Construction. So this is the part 3. In this part 3 we only see two constructions, that is SAS construction of triangle, ASA construction of triangle. So in this two triangle, SAS means side angle side. So two side one angle, that is SAS, and ASA means two angles one side, so that is the ASA. So two things we are going to see in this part 3. So good day children. So the next thing is SAS triangle of construction. SAS triangle of construction. So before that we have to draw the rough diagram of triangle ABC. So we have to draw the rough diagram. Yes, in that rough diagram, here it is a B, A, B and C. AB measurement is a 5 centimeter and AC is a 4.3 centimeter. That's it. Okay, and next we can draw the diagram. So draw a line segment of AB equal to 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter we have to draw. So you have to start from 0 and it is 5. It is the 5 centimeter. And next construct BAX equal 60 degree. Construct BAX equal to 60 degree. We have to take the protector and we have to construct from A, it's a 90 degree. Sorry, it's a 60 degree. So it's a 60 degree because in the given question itself it's a given A is a 60 degree. Yes, we have to put 60 degree. And next thing is we have to cut a radius. We have to cut a radius on AB. Any radius, that is your convenient of any radius, we have to cut from A. Yes, we have to draw a arc. Yes, we have to cut a arc. We have to cut the line on AB. We have to cut the line on AB. AB line we have to cut. And next arc is on the previous arc. Now we can join the dot. We have already measured, right? We have already measured that 60 degree, right? So that dot we have to join and we have to give the name, that's a C. We have to give the name, that is a C. That is a C. Okay. Again we have to take the measurement of your compass, that is 4.3. 4.3 we have to take the measure of compass. 4.3 we have to take the measure of compass. 4.3, it's the exact 4.3. And with the A as a center, you have to cut on C. A as a center, you have to cut on C. Okay, now you can join B and C. Now you can join B and C. Join B and C. Join B and C. Okay, so that arc we have cutted, right, from here to B. Join B and C. Now we got a required triangle. So next we have to do the perpendicular bisector. We have already know that perpendicular bisector is a more than half. It's a more than half of BC. So take a compass and take more than half. More than half means it's half more than. Okay. Yes. Now we have to draw an arc. We have to draw an arc inside the triangle. Draw an arc on both the sides. Yes. And the next side also. Yes. Again C as a center. Next thing is C as a center. Draw an arc. C as a center. Draw an arc. C as a center, we have to draw an arc. Same like in the next side also. Yes, now we can extend our arc because that is not touching. So we have to extend our arc. So next side also we have to cut the arc. With C as a center, cut the arc. Now we have to join both the intersecting point. Now we have to join both the intersecting point. We have to give the name. We have to give the name that is a P and Q. That is P and Q. So one is a P and one is a Q. The midpoint of BC is a M. So that is the perpendicular bisector. So this is what SAS triangle of construction. This is what SAS triangle of construction. Triangle of ABC in which AB equal to 5 centimeter, AC equal to 4.3 centimeter and angle A equal to 60 degree. Angle A equal to 60 degree. So we have to point out that is a 60 degree. Also draw the perpendicular bisector of BC also. We got that is the midpoint of M. So this is what triangle of. So on the next triangle is a ASA triangle construction. ASA triangle construction. So the given question is construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 4.8 centimeter, angle B equal to 60 degree and angle C equal to 75 degree. So first of all, everybody know that we have to draw a rough diagram. So draw a rough diagram. That is BC line, and we have to draw BA line, BA. Next is the AC. We have to name the triangle, that is a B, A, B and C. BC in the given question, that is 4.8 centimeter and angle B is a 60 degree. Angle B is a 60 degree and angle C is a 75 degree. This is the rough diagram. Next, let us coming to the construction. Draw a line segment BC equal to 4.8. Draw a line segment BC equal to 4.8. So 4.8. And the next is, so in our previous sum also we have done that one is draw a convenient arc, convenient radius. So we have to adjust our compass in a proper way. That is our convenient measurement, convenient radius with B as a center. Slightly you can extend the compass. Yes. So we have to cut the arc. Cut the arc. Yes, that's it. Now you have to take your protector and construct how many degree? It's a 60 degree. That is the given question. B is a 60 degree and C is a 75 degree. So C as a center, we have to take 75 degree. Okay. Then we can join BC. We can join BA. You can join BA, whatever you have measured 60 degree, right? That you can join. Now, and in the same measurement, we have to cut from, yes, now it is the intersecting. And the next side of C, with C as a center, we can take any convenient radius. We have to cut a arc. We have to cut a proper arc. Then whatever cutted on the BC. So next we have to keep it an yes. Draw one more arc and keep it in that same arc, and again one more arc. Again we can cut the arc. We can draw the arc. Now we can join 90 degree. We can join 90 degree. Next thing is, whatever cutted here we have cutted, right, that 90 degree. From there to here we have to cut. From there to here we have to cut the arc. Yes. Now we can join the 75 degree. This is the required triangle. So we have to name the triangles. So this is the A, and this full line is a X, and this is a Y, and here it is a 75 degree, and here it is a 60 degree, and the measurement here it is a 4.8 centimeter. Already we have written. So this is the ASA triangle construction.